Hey people, welcome back to another cooking video. Tonight we're gonna be making ramen, except better. Okay, so first we fill this pot.
Sorry.
Up to the little circle. Oh, damn it. Up to the bottom of the little circle things. And the handle. Okay, so then we set the... Then we set it on high. And we wait for it to boil.
So what do we do, boils?
Well, we prepare the other stuff.
Okay.
So,
also, this is the new avocado joke from the first video.
This ramen. Oh, it's not centered, and that bothers me. So inside is the noodles, except they're dry and boring and dumb and stupid. Ah, crap. Anyways, it also comes with a flavor packet.
But we don't need that, do we?
I'm gonna save it for later for my friend who lives down the road.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay, then. It's just noodles. Dry noodles.
And then, as a substitute for the flavor packet, we are using brown sugar.
Oh boy.
Oh, that reminds me. While the water is boiling, we are going to make it red.
We were going to make it purple, but we didn't have any purple.
Well, we didn't have any blue.
So we couldn't make purple?
Yeah, I wanted to differentiate it I wanted to make it look different from the spicy cayenne pepper one.
That you were going to make?
Well, I don't know. This may or may not color the ramen.
Who knows? I just feel like grabbing the handle and moving around.
Looks more orange.
Wait,
Oh, I think this is orange.
Hooray! Orange is my favorite color.
Yay. So yeah, it's orange ramen. Did you get anything on me? Okay, good. I like 'em big.
No. 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 Uh-oh. Owie. Owie, that hurted my face. And where are we gonna have...
Oh, it's steaming. And some bubbles are appearing. That means it's getting close. I need to wait until it's like a rolling boil.
But weren't we going to have something else with the ramen?
I don't know.
Something...
Oh, onions.
What? No. What? No. 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 Something else that might be in a cup.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna drink from my Batman mug. Crap, it's stuck. Oh, look. It's this red crap. It's a...
It says Sonic.
No, the Sonic show, but...
I know, it said the Sonic show.
This is gonna be our garnish for this dish.
Tasty.
Oh! I almost completely forgot about bowl and fork.
So remind me again, why are we having this past 9 at night?
Because it's the only time when everybody's quiet.
Oh, that's true, but aren't we probably going to get...
So yeah, this is the fork I'll use to put the take the ramen and eat it, and then stir it all around. This is the bowl I'll put it in.
And I want to try some.
Yes, this is the first of my dishes that he is actually going to eat. Oh.
Yay.
I can hear it. That's a good sign. Oh. Excuse me.
That's cute.
Well, we will also be using honey.
Honey.
Because why not?
Back to what I was focusing on before.
Connor, it's almost ready.
Huh?
When it starts when it looks like it's vibrating, don't drop my phone.
Drop.
Dude, if you drop my phone.
Oh god, it's already been 6 minutes.
Ready.
Good thing I made an excuse to stop you from threatening me and making this not kid friendly.
You did?
Yes.
Huh. Starting to bubble and steam a lot more. Is it gonna roll? Is it gonna roll?
No.
Is it gonna rickroll me? I hope so. All memes aside, that is a good song.
You know, actually, on my channel, on my about page, I literally put down a link that said "click me," and anyone who was foolish enough to click on it got rickrolled.
Ah, it's rolling boil. Get in.
Hooray!
Looks like it might be turning orange.
Maybe. So what are we gonna do in the meantime?
We set a timer for 3 minutes.
Well, then
where's the timer button?
Here.
Oh, that's the timer button. Okay, thank you.
Timer button.
3, 0, 0, start. Now we just wait 3 minutes. Come on, stay right there. I'm going to entertain.
Now I'm gonna back up a tiny bit just to have room to entertain. Why did you kick me? Is that entertainment? Is that what you call entertainment?
I kicked you in the butt really lightly.
That's not entertainment.
Mostly to surprise you. Okay.
But I could hear you coming up behind me.
Maybe you can tell me next time.
This was the Sans plush I threw at Alex earlier. And back to this again.
Have my iPad.
What are you gonna do with your iPad?
I don't know. But there was also another crucial part I forgot.
What?
Putting the brown sugar in the bowl.
Okay.
It smells good. Despite not having any flavor.
I think that's just a little bit of foam sitting on top of it. Also, I can see it turning a tiny bit orange.
Ooh. You put in the brown sugar.
I take a tiny bit, just as you can. I'll take a small chunk for eating. Brown sugar tastes good.
Put this back.
Alright.
Alright, rinse my hands off. Brown sugar
Yeah.
It's 40 more seconds.
Just hit my foot on the grocery bag.
The empty wrapper away. Trash. Suspense.
popcorn. Alright. This should be ready.
It looks orange, so that part probably succeeded. Wow, that's so weird.
Yeah, the pot is turning, but the ramen isn't.
Yeah, it makes sense though.
It is kind of weird though. And then we put it in our brown sugar bowl.
Oh, damn it. It is orange, yay.
Alright. Now what are we going to do? Are we going to pour our other toppings on top of it?
Just give me a sec. Don't want to miss any. I think I got all of it.
Alright.
Alright.
What if we just had, like... No, that wouldn't work. I was going to say, what if we had the thumbnail, like a before and after picture of before and after we, you know, put toppings on it and stuff?
Yeah.
But that wouldn't really work. Also, what if I drank that water?
Don't.
I mean, after it cooled.
It's just orange water.
Alright, let me pour it in the sink then.
Not yet. It needs to cool down before we can put it in the sink, because if we don't, that's dangerous or whatever.
Okay, although it looks like orange Nick slime to me. Or orange juice.
Yeah. Alright, now that we have the brown sugar mixed in.
Boy. Let's add honey and sprinkles.
Eh. Ow. Darn thing.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Hasn't been fully opened yet. There's still like the foil on there.
Plastic crap.
What could you say, crap?
I've said it
I know.
before.
I know. And that's what's going to make it so our video doesn't get kid-friendly.
Yeah, I don't want YouTube thinking I'm a kid's channel. That's lame. I'm gonna mix that around. Don't even think about it.
I was just pushing it so I could get a better angle without accidentally dropping your phone into it.
Yeah, I'm pushing it farther away.
Alright. Now for the sprinkles.
Finishing touch.
The sprinkles are actually just sugar. Those sugar crystal sprinkles. This is gonna be so unhealthy.
That's what makes it so good.
I mean, not all unhealthy things taste good.
I know, and not all healthy things taste bad.
That's true.
Like, I tried veggies on pizza for the first time the other day, and it was actually pretty good. Look, Connor.
Yeah, but
pretty much anything can be good if you put it on pizza.
I mean, Alex, you're also the person who said putting on a hamburger was good.
It is. Okay. My God, it's so beautiful.
Now we have to eat it.
Yay.
Oh boy.
Ah.
I gotta try that.
Absolute perfection.
Just gonna see it. I'm not really into it. You know the rest.
You're the worst.
I like to try it. Though it is extremely sweet. Oh, that is.
Next time I'll put in less honey and more brown sugar. Well, that's all for today's episode. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Or dislike and leave a mean comment if you feel like it.
What?
Anyway, see you in the next video.
Okay, bye.